In this video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney on the web. First, open your web browser and go to the Midjourney website. Sign into your account, or create one if you don't already have an account. Next, from the main dashboard, click the option to create a new image. You'll see a prompt box where you can describe the image you want to generate. Enter a detailed prompt that describes your subject, style, lighting, colors, and any other details you'd like the AI to include. Now, click the Generate button and wait while Midjourney creates your images. After a few moments, you'll see multiple image variations based on your prompt. After that, review the generated images and select the one you like best. If you want to improve the result, use the available options to create variations, upscale an image, or edit your prompt and generate a new set of images. Finally, once you're satisfied with the final image, click Download to save it to your device. You can continue creating new images by entering different prompts and experimenting with various artistic styles and settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Midjourney on the web. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to learn more.